Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 guys. If you have problems with the instrument cluster not working, you're trying to find where the fuse for the instrument panel instrument cluster is located, stay with us, we'll explain that. There is actually two fuses, make sure to stay until the end, and we'll explain guys why it's very important to test fuses. Even you may think they're fine, always test them. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain why. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So where are the fuses guys? Okay, for the instrument cluster, instrument panel. If you have problems with it or not working, we've had that happen actually on multiple vehicles. Let's explain now. Okay, so if you come right here, you can see that's the instrument panel. You may have a different design depending which one it is, but if you come right here under the pedals guys, okay, that's where, okay, you will have a hidden fuse box. Okay, you will have one hidden fuse box guys, and that fuse box will be located, okay, let me show you now, right here. Okay, that's the fuse box, that's all the fuses, and the fuse guys that we need right now, okay, to check for the instrument cluster. Okay, let me get something to show you with. The first one will be known as fuse number F53, which is the third fuse from top to bottom on the left side, that 5 amp fuse. That's the first fuse that you need to check. That's for the instrument cluster. Then we have one more guys, which is known as fuse number F57, okay, that we need to check for the instrument cluster as well. I mean F37 guys, F37, and F37, if you come right here, this fuse will be the fourth fuse, okay, from top to bottom on the right side. Right here, that fuse is the one for the instrument cluster. Now if you need to buy new replacement fuses for a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get a whole box guys for the price of only a couple of fuses. You get free fuse pullers as well, and when you remove the fuse, okay, you just pull it out, remove it, and even if you see the element being okay in the middle guys, I would recommend to always test them, because sometimes you may not be able to see if it's burnt or not. Testing them will tell you 100% if the fuse is good. Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, you put it on, it's actually a bad fuse, and you may spend thousands of dollars and time just to fix a problem that all you had to do replace the fuse. I'll put a link in the description of the video below that explains how to test the fuse guys, so check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.